I want to ask you a question. Is email drafting an art or is it a science? Well, let's look at a little broader question. Is communication an art or is it a science? Well, most of you will say that it is an art, right? Well, first let's understand what do we mean by communication is science and communication is an art. Well, there are certain rules that we need to follow when it comes to communication or drafting emails. Rules in communication are like, having a right body language, having confidence, fluency, having a structure in our speeches and our emails. Well, these are the rules. This you can call is the science of communication. Or when you have to follow the rules of email drafting, then you will call that as a science of email drafting. Then the question comes, why is communication also called an art? Well, all of us, once we master following all the rules of communication, like having the right body language, right eye contact, the fluency, structuring of sentences, voice modulation, all that, once we master that, then we will use the different elements in different proportions. Now, when you use these elements in different proportions, you will see that you are actually using it as an artist. You will see the best orators in this world, all of them follow all the rules of communication. They do voice modulation, they use humor, they use structure, but they use different elements at different point of time. That's why each one of them, though is an effective communicator, also has its own unique style. So yes, I think we have safely concluded that email writing is an art and is a science as well. But for us to master any art, we need to first learn the basic rules and then play with the elements. Hope this helped you. I am super excited to see you in the email writing workshop. And in order to help you to get maximum value from this workshop, we have 3 bonuses for you. Yes, you heard it right. We have 3 bonuses for you. A lot of ambitious professionals, when they want to develop their email writing skills, they want to use business English phrases, idioms, and nice vocabulary that will impress their clients, hiring managers. We have developed a system to learn that vocabulary. So the first bonus that we have for you is the 250 Vocabulary Workbook, which has chosen phrases and idioms that you can use in your meetings, presentations, interviews, emails, and reports. So that's your first bonus. When you have to write an email, especially when you have to write an important email, you need to make sure that you followed all the basic rules that are required to write an effective and an impressive email. Well, the second bonus that we have for you is an email writing checklist. So once you write an important email, the second bonus, you can use it for going through the entire checklist and making sure that you followed all the rules and all the etiquettes of writing an impressive and an effective email. Well, it is said that either you learn from your own mistakes or you learn from other people's mistakes. What we have for you in the third bonus is 6 case studies where you can learn from other people's mistakes. We have different email situations. Example, asking for information, replying to an email, delivering bad news. So 6 different case studies in original emails and revised emails, and also there are detailed explanation of what is the difference between an original ineffective email and a revised effective email. So we have these 3 bonuses for you. Click on the button below to download these 3 bonuses before we start the workshop. I'll see you in the workshop. Bye-bye.